The purpose of this recording is to show the National Advisory Council members how to use ERA Electronic Council Book, or ECB, for the purpose of grant reviews. Beginning in fiscal year 2018, NAC members will use ECB to access summary statements and to submit their intent to vote. ECB requires a username and password. The designated federal officer, or DFO, will email this information to you to ensure that you can access the system prior to the first grant review. The first time you log into ECB, you'll be prompted that your password has expired and that you need to change your password. Your password must meet the ECB password and security policy. Passwords must be at least 8 characters long, must contain a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, cannot have a number as the first or last character, cannot contain your login name. Click the Here link to change your password. To change your password, enter your username, old password, new password, and new password again. Then click the Submit button. The password policy is displayed on the screen for guidance. Please note that you must reset your password at least every 180 days to avoid expiration. Please contact your DFO to reset your password if it expires. Your account will lock after 5 unsuccessful logins. If this occurs, please contact your DFO to unlock your account and set up a new temporary password. ECB replaces the current system and processes for SAMHSA grant review. However, it does not replace the grant review meeting itself. As a NAC member, you are still expected to attend these meetings, either in person or via conference calls. Prior to the grant review meeting, your DFO will email you the list of applications expected to be reviewed at the meeting. The Confidential Financial Disclosure Report, also known as Form 450, and the Conflict of Interest Form, or CIO form. You are required to review the list and identify any conflicts of interest. You complete the required forms and email them back to the DFO in the time frame noted. The DFO sends a second email when the summary statements are available for your review. This email will include a link to ECB at https://ecb.nih.gov and include the names of the programs with available summary statements that you need to review. Once logged into ECB, the landing page is the General Information tab. This tab includes general information such as the NAC Charter, Handbook, Forms, and Roster. You can click on the names of the items to download and view these documents. The next tab will be labeled with a date. This date identifies the date of the grant review meeting. Click on this tab. This tab includes the name of the programs that will be reviewed during the meeting. The name of the program and the FOA number is a hyperlink that you click to view the list of applicant summary statements. In addition to the program links, this tab will also include a link for the meeting agenda, which includes the conference call number. Any other relevant information may also be included on this page. To access the list of applicant summary statements, click the program link. The list of applicant summary statements appears on the screen. Click on the application number to open the summary statement. The summary statement will open in another browser tab. Review the summary statement. If needed, you may add a comment about this summary statement for discussion at the grant review meeting. To add a comment, select the plus sign next to the Add Read Comments label under the summary statement, or click the Show link. Then click the Post Comment button. Enter your comment and click the Save button. You can cancel or clear the comment before saving by using the Cancel or Clear buttons. Your comment displays with your name and timestamp. Use the Edit and Delete links to update or remove your comment. Please note, you will not see comments entered by other NAC members. Click the minus sign or click the Hide link to collapse the comment. Repeat the process for all summary statements in the program. Note that anytime you wish to exit the screen prior to voting, click the Back button. This will take you back to the Grant Review tab. You can return to the list at any time by clicking on the appropriate program link. Once you have reviewed all the summary statements, you are able to record your intent to concur or defer. To submit this intent, select the Vote All Concur or Vote All Defer button. A pop-up message prompts you to confirm your intent to concur or defer. Click OK to proceed. After you confirm, a summary of your voting results displays. Under the voting results, there are two links that you may select. The link Requery Project List will take you back to the list of summary statements. The other link, Return to Main Console ECB screen, will take you back to the Grant Review tab, where you can access other programs for review. Repeat the process for all programs. DFOs will monitor as members record their voting intent. DFOs will send a reminder email the day prior to the call to those who have not recorded their voting intent. When you are ready to exit ECB, you can click on the Logout button on the top right side of the screen. This concludes the Electronic Council Book training for NAC members. For more information, or to view this video again, you may access the SAMHSA National Advisory Council site at the URL shown at the top of the screen. You may also contact your center DFO with any questions. If you encounter technical issues while using ECB, please send an email to the ERA Service Desk at helpdesk@od.nih.gov.